Runs pretty good. Nice and quiet. Nothing weird going on. It's idling right at like a 13.7, 13.8. Now we can check the clutch, transmission, all that jazz. That's the oil pressure. It's about 3 bar. Okay, so that was just a quick little update on the car. So what I did today is got the fuel rails on. I got the little injector hats that go from the truck injector to the car intake style rail. So these little hats that just go on the top and make up the difference. So those things are on there. Those are pretty nice. I still have to get the serpentine belt. I got to get an alternator plug, and I was kind of just about to go into hack mode and cut one of the O2 sensor wires off. Oh, this guy right here. This O2 sensor plug is the same plug that goes to the alternator. So I was thinking about doing that, but this is O2 sensor wiring for the passenger side, and I am going to run that down back over to the exhaust. I still need to get the plug end that goes to the O2 sensor for this side, finish looming everything, and then we can try to go drive it. Oh, and I need a lower radiator hose, so I think I'm going to make a trip to the junkyard tomorrow and try to get all that stuff situated. Other than that, it starts and runs really nice. I am a little bit concerned about how that transmission was grabbing or not grabbing. So I feel like it's still dragging a little bit, like that clutch is still dragging and not releasing completely. I can get it into gear, but you heard it on the video when I put it in reverse, it like slammed really hard, and then I couldn't get it to go in any of the other gears. So I feel like it's not completely releasing still. It works okay for like the first gear once I put it in the first one. Even with the brake completely on, it does stop the wheels. but I still feel like it's dragging too much that it's hard to get it in gear. When it's off, not running, it goes into every gear really smooth, but when it's running, it goes in really hard. So I feel like it's not completely releasing, still dragging. I might just go with a different master cylinder and be done with it. So it's a brand new Slave. I'll probably go with the Willwood, like 3/4 inch big master cylinder, and eliminate that issue, hopefully. So maybe I'll do that. I just don't want to get it out there and then I'm driving it around and have issues with it going into gear. So that's where I'm at today. I'm pretty excited about this thing now. Coming together, hood fits, you saw that in the previous video. But I still gotta do a lot of little things like the brake booster line, finish the looming, secure I got the top radiator hose. I even kept the copper pipe that came with the car originally. Pretty gangster. But you saw that the oil pressure was good. Oil pressure was sitting right around 3 bar. This is in like kilograms per centimeter, but that's 1 kilogram per centimeter is like 0.98 bar or something like that. So we'll call it 1 for 1. It's got like 43 psi oil pressure at idle. Pretty good. Getting pretty excited about this little turkey.